The factory-installed jack in a 2015-2020 Ford F-150 is typically located in a dedicated compartment. For Super Crew models, check under the rear passenger side cargo floor. Lift the rear seat to access it. Super Cab and regular cab models may have it in the toolbox. It's secured by a strap or latch. To safely remove it, first park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and chock the wheels. Then, open the compartment, remove any straps or fasteners, and lift the jack by its handle, ensuring even weight distribution to avoid strain. Be sure to also locate the jack handle and lug wrench, often stored alongside the jack. Remember to inspect the jack for rust or damage before use. Never work under a vehicle supported only by the jack. Always use jack stands for safety. Wear eye protection to prevent injuries from debris. Rust and corrosion are common problems. Inspect your jack regularly, especially in harsh climates. Ford issued service bulletins and a recall regarding jack handle failures. Check if your vehicle was affected using Ford's VIN lookup tool. Consider aftermarket electric jacks for easier use. Improper jack use can lead to accidents. Always follow safety protocols and consider professional assistance if needed. Keep your jack properly lubricated and maintained.